So as usual here in the village, we usually cook Ugali. That is the main food. And an African food, an African cake as you can see. So it's a lunch hour and I love to start cooking the Ugali like. Now I love to add the unga and continue stirring as usual as you can see. So there is other videos that I've cooked maybe Ugari, but then this is my local now kitchen here. My local kitchen, you can see that pot there. Maybe we were using it sometime before, but now it's like it is broken. It doesn't hold, so we usually keep like a matchbox inside. Yeah.
Kuigwĩrĩrĩrio enjera ng'ang'ete riko iga njĩti nanya kũruga pi eba maete nchiching'e ninkũrigi nabĩka riko ũkunĩka kũruga
Now the Ugali is ready. The Ugali is ready, and you see how this is the tray that we usually put the Ugali. It's the village style, as you can see. So if you are outside there, you can drop a sweet comment if that's how you do it. Maybe that's what I can say. Yeah, drop a sweet comment, like, share. I know you have amazing friends outside there. Continue supporting me. I love you all. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast. And that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same.
Hello, what's up, guys? Here, your guide, Grace Care Mission. I thank everyone for coming here. For my returning subscribers, I welcome everyone. And if this is your first time here, click that like button, subscribe, continue subscribing, support your girl. I'm talking live from the village, and this is how it looks here. I'm touring our garden here, and you can see we don't miss bananas. If you are in Kisii, Gusii, I'm a Tokyoka. So I welcome you. You can see we don't buy bananas as you show from the beginning. I've already shown you around, and this is Sukuma wiki. You see it like this because it has not rained. Also, it's like we want to transplant it in a way that it may be fresh. So continue supporting me. Actually, I thank everyone. Thank you for your support. It's always my strength. That's what I can say because you can upload a video and you don't find even one viewer coming on like 2 hours. But then I'm happy. Even if you find 2 to 3 viewers, be happy. Otherwise, thank you so much for your support, for coming always. Thank you so much. Hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching until the end. Thank you so much. So here we have dry beans. It's going to be ready, and we have corn. Actually, yeah, hearing me. We have some bananas. These are the natural bananas. They are not brown. Green bananas. Green bananas. Also, these are the beans. You can see how corn is. This is the size. They are not that good. I'm going when we planted the sukuma wiki. You see how it is? It has not rained for how many days now? 3 days now, and the rain. This I don't know how it works here. So here we have nderema. It's vegetables. When you cook them, they look very soft. You only fry without boiling. There are people outside there in Africa, maybe you know what nderema is. And this is it here. Today I'm going to plug it. Maybe we're gonna have it for dinner. Yeah. It's not ready, so this is someone's compound. You can see how it is. Actually, we are passing here just to go to our home. So this is another time. See how the village looks, the love of the village. If you are near here, at least you can see where I am talking from. This is my village. Otherwise, this is the boundaries. Like fence at the village that we usually a temporary one, maybe that's what I can say. And hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching, continue supporting me. Let's love the village as you see it. Thank you. So this is corn here, as usual. It's corn, and this one will be harvested like the month of December. Maybe it will be ready. And the bananas, we have the green bananas at our garden. Sometimes, say, if you're at a village, say, you can be given a banana free because maybe you find a lot of people have it. That is it. This one here is called the star leaves, but it is vegetables we usually eat. This one is a traditional vegetable. Yeah.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should take